Yeah, here we have a Friedrich 28,700 BTU AC unit. It's 208, 240 volts. It appears to be unused. However, it doesn't blow cold air. We're going to just show you some of the functions on here and show you that most of the functions work on here real well. So we got your fan speed right here. So it's blowing air right now. And here's the high setting. That's the high setting. That's medium. High. And low. Okay, so you got your fan mode. Now, I'm going to go back to system. Here's your cool right here. So the cool comes on, but the compressor doesn't kick on. It's down to 60. There's our room temperature, 78. Outdoor temperature would be in the back of the unit, 79. Here's your time. But unfortunately, schedule works on and off. There you go. Fan mode auto. Continuous. But like we said, it's not blowing cold air at all, and the compressor is not kicking on. It might be something simple. Could be something major. We just don't know. And of course, this kit includes all your gaskets, your brackets. This will go through your instructions. This can be mounted through a window or through the wall. Yeah, we thank you for looking at our product.